Have you ever noticed that as the years go by, small things become harder to see? Maybe reading the morning newspaper requires brighter light, or street signs at night seem a little blurrier. If you're over 60, you're not alone. Millions of people around the world experience age-related vision changes. But here's the good news. Science is uncovering natural ways to protect your eyesight and even restore some of the sharpness you thought was gone forever. And surprisingly, the answer doesn't come from expensive eye treatments or complicated supplements. Instead, it may already be sitting in your kitchen cabinet. In this video, we'll explore 3 simple yet powerful seeds you can eat daily to naturally protect and restore your eyesight. These aren't exotic or hard to find superfoods. They're affordable, easy to use, and backed by real nutritional science. Stick with me until the end, because not only will I share these seeds, but I'll also explain how to include them in your diet in the most effective way possible. So let's get started. The silent thief of vision. Before we dive into the seeds, let's pause for a moment and understand why protecting your eyesight is so important after 60. Vision loss doesn't happen overnight. Conditions like cataracts, macular degeneration, and glaucoma creep in slowly. Many people don't even realize their vision is changing until it's already advanced. That's why eye specialists often call vision problems the silent thief. By the time you notice, it might feel too late. But that's not the whole story. Your diet has a powerful influence on how your eyes age. The nutrients you eat can protect your retinas, strengthen the blood vessels that feed your eyes, and fight the oxidative stress that slowly wears them down. Seeds are especially potent because they're small packages loaded with vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, and antioxidants. Seed number 1. Flaxseeds, the omega-3 powerhouse. Let's start with flaxseeds. These tiny brown or golden seeds are one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid. Omega-3s play a critical role in eye health. They help maintain the structure of your retina and keep your tear film stable, which means less dryness and irritation. Here's something fascinating. Studies have shown that people who eat enough omega-3s are at a lower risk of developing age-related macular degeneration, one of the leading causes of blindness in older adults. Omega-3s also reduce inflammation, which is a hidden factor behind many vision problems. But flaxseeds aren't just about omega-3s. They're also rich in lignans, which are plant compounds with antioxidant properties. Antioxidants are like bodyguards for your eyes, neutralizing the free radicals that can damage delicate tissues. Imagine free radicals as tiny sparks slowly burning your eyesight over time, and antioxidants as the water that puts those sparks out before they spread. Now, you might wonder, how do you actually eat flax seeds? The trick is to use ground flax seeds rather than whole. Whole seeds often pass through your digestive system without releasing their nutrients. Ground flax seeds, on the other hand, can be sprinkled onto oatmeal, blended into smoothies, or even mixed into soups. Just 2 tablespoons a day can give you a powerful dose of eye-protecting nutrients. Why most people miss out on this simple fix? Here's the surprising part. Even though flax seeds are affordable and easy to add to meals, most people completely overlook them. Many spend hundreds on eye vitamins or expensive supplements without realizing that the same nutrients are sitting right in their pantry. This is the irony of modern health. Sometimes the simplest foods are the most effective, but we ignore them because they seem too ordinary. By watching this video, you're already one step ahead. Seed number 2. Chia seeds, the nutrient-dense protector. Next up is chia seeds. You've probably seen these tiny black or white seeds floating in smoothies or puddings, but don't underestimate them. Chia seeds are nutrient powerhouses. In fact, gram for gram, they're one of the richest sources of plant-based omega-3s, fiber, protein, and essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and zinc. So how do they help your eyes? First, like flax seeds, their omega-3 content supports the health of your retina and protects against macular degeneration. But chia seeds have another advantage. They're packed with antioxidants like quercetin and chlorogenic acid. These antioxidants specifically help reduce oxidative stress in your eye tissues, keeping your lenses clearer and your vision sharper. Another important nutrient in chia seeds is zinc. Zinc is like the delivery truck that moves vitamin A from your liver to your retina, where it's used to make melanin, a protective pigment in your eyes. Without enough zinc, your night vision can suffer, and your risk of cataracts increases. One thing people love about chia seeds is how easy they are to prepare. Just soak them in water or milk for about 10 minutes, and they expand into a gel-like texture. You can use them to make chia pudding, sprinkle them into yogurt, or even stir them into soup. A single tablespoon or 2 per day can give your eyes a steady stream of protective nutrients. The hidden danger of ignoring nutrition: here's something to think about. Many people assume that vision problems are simply a part of aging that can't be avoided. But nutrition science shows that isn't true. The foods you eat today directly influence how well you'll see tomorrow. Ignoring the role of nutrition in eye health is like ignoring oil changes in your car. You might get by for a while, but eventually the damage catches up, and by then, the repair is much harder. Seeds like flax and chia are nature's way of giving your eyes the oil change they need to keep running smoothly. Seed number 3. Pumpkin seeds, the zinc and vitamin E shield. The third seed on our list is pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas. Unlike flax and chia, pumpkin seeds are larger, crunchy, and delicious as a snack. But don't be fooled by their taste. They're packed with nutrients that specifically target eye health. Pumpkin seeds are one of the best natural sources of zinc. As I mentioned earlier, zinc is essential for moving vitamin A into your retina. Without enough zinc, your eyes can't produce melanin, which acts as a natural sunblock for your eyes. This makes zinc crucial for protecting against night blindness and age-related macular degeneration. In addition to zinc, pumpkin seeds are rich in vitamin E. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant that protects the fatty tissues in your eyes from oxidative stress. Think of vitamin E as a protective shield, keeping your eye cells strong and preventing them from breaking down too quickly. Research has shown that higher intake of vitamin E is linked with a lower risk of cataracts. Pumpkin seeds are also high in magnesium, which helps maintain healthy blood flow to your eyes. Proper circulation ensures that your retinas receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to stay sharp. What's great about pumpkin seeds is how versatile they are. You can eat them raw, roasted, or sprinkled on salads. Just a small handful each day can give your eyes a protective boost. The eye doctor's perspective: if you ask most eye doctors, they'll tell you the same thing. Diet matters more than most people think. While medical treatments are important, prevention through nutrition is far more powerful. It's easier to protect healthy eyes than to try and repair damaged ones. These 3 seeds, flax, chia, and pumpkin, provide your eyes with a nutrient combination that supports every part of your vision system, from the cornea to the retina. The surprising side benefits: here's another reason to eat these seeds daily. Not only do they protect your eyes, but they also improve your overall health. Flax seeds lower cholesterol, chia seeds help regulate blood sugar, and pumpkin seeds improve heart health. When you eat these seeds regularly, you're not just supporting your eyes, you're boosting your brain, heart, and digestion at the same time. So the benefits go far beyond vision. How to make this a daily habit? Now, I know what you might be thinking. This all sounds great, but how do I actually make it a habit? The answer is simpler than you think. You don't need to overhaul your entire diet. Just start small. Add a tablespoon of ground flaxseed to your morning cereal. Stir a spoonful of chia seeds into your water bottle and sip it throughout the day. Keep a jar of roasted pumpkin seeds on your kitchen counter, so you're reminded to grab a handful as a snack. Over time, these tiny changes add up to a big difference in your eye health. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with a gentle reminder. Taking care of your eyes isn't just about seeing clearly. It's about preserving your independence, your quality of life, and the ability to enjoy the little things, like reading a book, watching your grandchildren play, or taking in a beautiful sunset. Don't wait until problems arise. Start protecting your eyesight today with the simple power of seeds. So, let's recap. The 3 powerful seeds that can help protect and restore your eyesight after 60 are flaxseeds, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds. Each brings unique nutrients, omega-3s, antioxidants, zinc, and vitamin E, that work together to keep your eyes strong, clear, and healthy. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried adding these seeds to your diet? Which one will you start with first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe to Fitness Tips for more simple, natural ways to stay healthy at any age. Thanks for watching, and take care of your eyes. They're the windows to your world.